Personal hygiene is super important right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to wash your face properly so that you have better complexion, meaning healthier skin and less pimples, and how to clean your eyelids because that'll help reduce the chance of getting eye infections. Let's take a look. This video was made possible by OcuSoft, the #1 doctor-recommended brand of eyelid cleansers. Hello and welcome, this is Dr. Alan here from the Dr. Eye Health Show, helping you learn all about the eyes and vision. And today we're going to be talking about the importance of personal hygiene during COVID-19. And we all know that we should be washing our hands frequently and practicing safe social distancing. But it's also important to wash your face because not only is it good for your complexion, but it's also good for getting rid of bacteria and viruses, which live pretty close to our mouths, our nose, and our eyes. And as an eye care professional, I see a lot of people who neglect to wash their eyelids and their eyelashes, which can lead up to a buildup of nasty skin oils which get trapped in your eyelashes, and then bacteria can eat those skin oils, and that can put you at a higher risk of developing things like pink eye allergies, styes of your eyelid, blepharitis, which is an irritating swelling of the eyelids, and even an infestation of a nasty dust mite called Demodex. So I'm going to show you how to properly wash your face and a couple of ways that'll make cleaning the eyelids easier. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends to first wet your face with lukewarm water and then to apply a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser that does not contain alcohol to your skin using your fingertips. Using a washcloth, a mesh sponge, or anything other than your fingertips could potentially irritate your skin. Afterward, rinse with lukewarm water and then pat dry with a soft towel. Afterward, if you have dry or itchy skin, apply a moisturizer if needed. But be gentle when applying any cream around your eyes, as you don't want to pull too hard on the skin because it's very thin and delicate around the eyes. I would also add that if you're a contact lens wearer, that you first either remove your contacts or keep your eyelids tightly closed during the process because water and contact lenses don't mix. Now, most facial cleansers out there will specifically say to avoid contact with the eyes. That's why it's so important to find an eyelid cleanser that's specifically made to clean the eyelids and the eyelashes. Now, two excellent options for cleaning the eyelids is using a hypochlorous acid solution or using a eyelid cleansing wipe. Now, hypochlorous acid, if you've never heard of it before, I have a whole video going more in depth of exactly what it is, how it works, and I'll hook that video link up in the YouTube description below if you want to check that out. But to use an hypochlorous acid solution, you just spray it onto a cotton swab, kind of like I have here, this little cotton ball, and then you close your eyelids, and then you cleanse away on the eyelid. And make sure to go ahead and get around the skin of the eyelid and getting deep into those lashes to break up any skin oils that have been stuck. But I like hypochlorous acid because it's very gentle on the skin and naturally fights off bacteria. Another option is to use some sort of a lid scrub like this one here. Now, these lid scrubs are pretty handy because they're pretty pocket-sized. You can fit them in your purse, literally in your pocket. And they come open, then they look just kind of like a little moist towelette, and you're able to just kind of wrap it around your finger and then clean your eyelid by just applying it to the lids and the lashes. It's already pre-moistened, so you don't need to rinse it with water. And then after you're done with this particular kind, you're pretty much all set. You don't need to rinse or anything. There are a couple of different styles of these lid wipes. There's original. This is the plus, which I like because, again, you don't have to rinse the eye afterward. They even have ones for children and one specifically for eye allergies. You can usually find these products through your local eye care provider. You can also find them at your local pharmacy, or you can just order them online through Amazon. As far as how often you should wash your face, it is best recommended to limit washing your face to twice per day, and after any time you sweat, because perspiration can cause irritation to the skin. So, eye health question of the day. Did you learn anything new about washing your face in this video? What was your favorite part? And have you tried any of these OcuSoft products, specifically either the hypochlorous acid or any sort of eyelid wipe? Go ahead and connect in the comments section below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me and share it with your friends. If you'd like to learn more about different eyelid diseases and their treatments, go ahead and check out my full series by clicking or tapping the screen up over here to the side. Or if you'd like to check out another cool video from Dr. Eye Health, you can click or tap the screen down over here. Otherwise, this is Dr. Allen here, helping you with the eyes and vision. Keep an eye on it, and we'll talk to you soon.